Welcome to the ITP Live Show. Before we start, hit the bell, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Are you trying to grow your YouTube channel? You've come to the right place. Rachel Elvis currently works as a product manager for recommendations at YouTube and was previously part of their performance analysis team. Elvis's experience means that she has spent a lot of time understanding what makes some YouTube channels take off and what makes other channels fizzle out. Lucky for us, she gave us her top 5 tips for growing on YouTube. Here they are. Tip number 1. Build your channel around an audience. Elvis emphasizes that branding and consistency are extremely important throughout the video. Knowing the audience you're trying to reach will help you create content that will get viewers coming back constantly. Think about who's watching your channel, what they're interested in, and how those interests are likely to change over the course of 6 months to a year to 2 years. Tip number 2, find your niche. Elvis's next tip has to do with creating content that is not already out there, or finding something that is uniquely you. Elvis explains that hopping on trends may get you views for that specific video, but what you really want is to create content that will keep viewers coming back. Elvis suggests looking for a hole in the market and definitely filling it. Tip number 3, watch lots of videos. If you're going to start a business, you'd conduct a market research and get out there and see what's missing. She suggests to do the same with YouTube. Watch relevant videos and see what works for those creators or channels and what doesn't work. Apply what you learn to your own content. Tip number 4, create and establish your brand. The suggestions are establishing your brand and keeping it consistent. Creating your unique aesthetics and sticking to it will allow viewers to seek comfort and constantly from you, as YouTube has become flooded with options and content. Elvis herself stated, really think about what fonts, colors, styles best represents your brand, and then make sure that flows through your channel icons, your art description, thumbnails, and etc. Tip number 5, be consistent. Lastly, she suggests keeping consistent. In order to build repeat viewership, you need to post repeatedly. Try creating posting schedule. This will help you a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below if you try any of her tips and let us know which is your favorites. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye!